My name's Jason Greystone. I'm a professional currency trader and a trading coach at Tier 1 Trading. Now, I really hope you are free on the 30th of October 2018 because we're going to be hosting a trading event like no other. Everything we do at Tier 1 is based off of transparency. So unlike most pre-constructed seminars or webinars where all the content's pre-produced, we're going to be tailoring this one to you. This is completely off the cuff. We've called this event Trade to Measure because it's completely tailored around challenges you're facing with trading, things you'd like to hear about that you can't quite find, it isn't frequently talked about online and you want answers to. If you're struggling with anything, if you've got misconceptions and you want answers, if you've got any problems with trading at all, from now until the event, over the next few weeks, we're going to fill this entire agenda based on your questions. So all you need to do to take part in this event, and this event is going to be massively oversubscribed, so make sure you get a seat. All you need to do is put your name and email address in below, and there's a question box there where you can fill out as much detail as you like, what you'd like to see at the event. And what we're going to do is we're going to spend 3 days with you guys, myself, Akil and Darren Oglesby, and we're going to spend 3 days with you drilling down and going real deep into the problems you've got, the challenges you're facing, answering any misconceptions, debunking myths. On top of that, we're also going to share with you some insights and case studies from some of the traders that have come through the platform and the success that they've had. So really looking forward to this event. It's going to be like no other event you've ever been to, completely tailored around you. So go get your name in, put your question in below. If you can't think of a question right now, don't worry. It would be ideal to have the question now because you'll probably forget later on. But try and get a question in. If you can't get a question in right now, you can come back to the link later on. And also you can fill in multiple questions. You can keep coming back, adding questions. We're going to go page after page if we need to and fill this thing up as much as we can. So I really look forward to spending 3 days with you on the 30th at the end of the month. Get your name down now and I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.